Hello, I'm Elizabeth Tello, Project Manager specialized in artificial intelligence, data science, and cybersecurity. Today, I want to tell you how you can start certifying yourself as a project manager in the world of artificial intelligence and data science. You don't need to be an expert programmer, but you must understand the technical fundamentals that drive these projects. The first step is clear: learn Python. You can start with the Pickup Certified Associated in Python certifications, programming, or if you are looking for something free, there are great courses on Coursera, edX without free code camp. Then the next step is to understand the cloud environment. You can opt for the AWS Cloud Partitioner or Azure Fundamental Certification that prepares you to understand the infrastructure behind many AI projects. Now, if it is time to choose the approach, if you are interested in data analysis, visualization, or dashboard, the path is data science. Certifications such as Microsoft's Data Analysis Associate or Google's IBM Y programs stand out here. On platforms like Coursera, you can also sign up for the Certified Analytics Professional (CAP) if you have more experience. If, on the other hand, automation, machine learning, or intelligent systems appeals to you more, your path is artificial intelligence. Here you can start with AI Fundamental from Microsoft or take a technical step with the machine learning certification in AWS and the TensorFlow Developer Certificate. Finally, don't forget that you are a project manager. Various certifications like PMI-ACP or a Scrum Master CSM continue to be crucial for leading agile teams. This novel provides more than a course list. It's a comprehensive strategy for staying ahead and driving digital transformation confidently.